Welcome back, students. In this class we continue Statistics chapter 13, exercise 13.1. The table below problem is sixth problem. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 household in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by suitable method. So daily expenditure is given and number of households are given here. So we have to calculate the mean daily expenditure of food. So this is the daily expenditure, that is 10 to 15 rupees. So household is how much? Number of household is, this is F5 and this is 4, and 150 to 200 rupees 5 house. Number of household is 5. Then 200 to 250 it is given 12. Then 250 to 300 it is given 2. Again 300 to 350 it is given 2. So this is the. So now we have to find the midpoint. Midpoint is what? Xi. So midpoint how to calculate? That is the middle number between 100 and 150 is 125, and 150 to 275 will be 175. 200 to 250 is 225, and 250 to 300 is 275, and 300 to 350 is 325. So see here, the midpoint of the midpoint will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be A. This is E. And H is the difference between the upper and the lower limit will be 50. So then this one is to calculate formula to Xi minus A by H, and last is Fi into Ui. So what is n here? N is equal to, add all this. N is equal to, that is 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 25. 25. So next is to calculate Ui for each set of values, that is Xi minus A by H. So we know all the values. H will be equal to 50, and A will be equal to 225. So now to substitute, first set of value of Xi is 125 minus 225 by H. After simplification we get minus 2. So next set of value is, this is first set. Next set is Ui is equal to, next is 175 minus 225 by H is 50. 50 is equal to, the answer is minus 1. Then third set of values, Ui is equal to 225 minus 225 by 50 is equal to 0, because here 225 minus 225 will become zeros. Then fourth set of values. Fourth set of values will be Vi is equal to 275 minus 225 by 50, which is equal to 1. Similarly, last set of values, Ui is equal to 325 minus 225 by 50, which is equal to 2. Now substitute all the values in the table, that is first is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. After this, next is we have to calculate fi into ui. Fi is this, ui is this, each set of values multiply. 4 into 2 is minus 8, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 0 into 12 is 0, then 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. Add all this. So summation of fi ui is equal to minus 8 plus minus 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to minus 7. So after this, now we have to find out the mean daily expenditure. So all the values are here, h is here, a is here, n is here, n is 25. Then substitute. What is the formula to find out the mean daily expenditure? That is f x bar is equal to a plus h into 1 by n into summation of fi ui. Now substitute the values. What is a is 225 plus 50 into 1 by 225 into minus 7. Finally we get 225 minus 14 is equal to 211. So finally, therefore, mean daily expenditure for food is equal to rupees 211. This is the solution for the 6th problem. We move on to the 7th one. 7th problem is find out the concentration of SO2 in the air. In the bracket they are given in parts per million, that is ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and it is presented below. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So now concentration of SO2 in ppm is given and also frequency is given. We have to find the midpoint ui and fi into ui. So next part is finding the midpoint. Where here 0 to 004 will be 002 is the midpoint. Then 04 to 008 is 006. Next 08 to 00 will be 10, I think. Yeah, 00. So if you're confusing, just draw a line in all the tables. Then we get 0.10. Next, between 0.12 to 0.16 it is 0.14, 0.16 to 0.02 is 0.18, and 0.020 to 0.24 0.22. So this is xi. Then we'll find out ui for each. Now one more is calculate n is equal to how much. is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal to 30. Then each set of ui is equal to xi minus a by h. We'll see what are n we know. Then this one, that is midpoint of midpoint 1 2 3 4 5, 6 values of 2 3 4 1 2 3 6 values are there, so we'll consider this one as a is equal to a. So a is equal to 0.10 and h is, what is the range here? So h is 0.04. So we got, now for each set of values we'll calculate. So first set ui is equal to, what is xi? That is 0.02 minus a is 0.10 by h is 0.04. The value we are getting is minus 2. Now in second set of value ui is equal to 0.06 minus 0.01 by 0.04, which is equal to minus 1. Third set of values ui is equal to 0.10 minus 0.10 by 0.04, which is equal to, that is, here you get 0, then answer is 0. Fourth set of values ui is equal to, next is 0.14 minus 0.10 by 0.04, which is equal to 1. Then fifth ui is equal to 0.18 minus 0.10, 0.04, which is equal to 2. Then sixth set of values ui is equal to 0.22 minus 0.10 by 0.04, which is equal to 3. So substitute in the above table. The first is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then ui into fi. So multiply this. y into fi minus 8, 4 into 2 8, 9 into minus 1 minus 9, 9 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 3 is a 6. Now summation of fi ui is equal to minus 8 plus minus 9 plus 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to minus 1. After this we have to find the mean concentration of SO2. So all the values here are there by step deviation method. Step deviation method. So now what is the formula? That is x bar is equal to a plus h into 1 by n into summation of xi ui. Therefore 0.10 plus 0.04 into 1 by 30 into minus 1. So now we get 0.10 minus, simplify all this, we get 0.04 by 30. Then we get final answer as, cross multiply this, we will get 0.099 ppm. That is what? Parts per million. So So mean concentration of air, therefore mean concentration of SO2 is equal to 0.099 ppm. So this is the solution for that is 6th and 7th problem. So this concludes the today's class. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.